after 2 or 3 months, just in time for the division speech contests, for the contestants specifically. This is when the question asked by Virajana becomes relevant. You have been posed with a topic about which you have absolutely no clue. You are lost totally. Okay? And what do you do in such a case? So there are two things. One is the topic can be a fantasy topic or a crazy topic as it is known. For example, I opened my refrigerator and found an elephant in it. This was the topic given in the speech contest at area level 3 years ago. Okay? So you have absolutely no clue about how to attempt this particular topic. What you can do in such a case is relate that issue with something else in your life. Okay? So you can relate elephant to a mega task, to a challenge in your life, and then attempt that I opened the fridge and found elephant. After all, what is an elephant? It's a big challenge in your life. And how do you eat elephant? You cut, chop, and slice that. So what you do with a big problem is to divide that problem into several smaller segments. You allocate tasks to different people and let everyone eat their share, and that is how you can finish the elephant. Sorry for the vegetarians, I just okay, so this is one technique of attempting this, where you relate that particular topic to something else you know of. You have a mastery over some topic with which you can connect and speak that way. Okay, the other option is to consider something which is known as the 5 wives and 1 husband option. What are 5 wives and 1 husband? The 5 questions. What? Who? Polygamy, no? Yes. How is H? 1 husband is how? And the 5 wives are question asks what, where, when, who, why. So these are the 5 questions. What, when, where, who, and why. And the 6th question is how. So ask these questions about this particular topic, and your topic is attempted. Okay? You can throw a topic at me. I'll try using this technique. Please. Throw a topic about which I don't know anything. Girish, maybe you can give a topic from medicine about which I have no clue. Or something you have already answered. Girish, medicine. One of you.
The topic for you today is modern medicine has advanced to such a level that if you cannot cut the tumor out of the body, you can cut the body out of the tumor.
Okay. The topic is modern medicine has advanced to such an extent that if you cannot take tumor out of the body, you can cut the body out of the tumor. That is the topic. I have absolutely no clue about this particular topic. So how would I attempt it? Is I think of these questions here. What? When? Where? Who? Why? And how? Okay, so I have no clue about how a tumor is caused, but I know for sure that barring 2 of the doctors present here, even you have no clue, right? Is there anyone other than the 2 doctors here who has every knowledge about tumor? It's so. Some not. I guess our knowledge will be equal. So it doesn't matter. The audience is also equally clueless about the topic. So that is the first thing you should tell yourself. I'm crazy, I don't know anything about this, but the audience is also crazy because they don't know about it. So I need not worry, I can relax, I can be cool. And then you ask these questions to yourself, what is tumor? Tumor is something which is a malignant or non-malignant substance in your body, or some particles in your body gathered together. Am I right? To form a tumor. The modern medicine has made a provision to remove, in the past it used to be to remove the tumor from the body, and now as I said the body can be removed out of tumor. So probably I mean what can be done is you don't remove the entire tumor cells from your body, but you make them harmless. You take out the poison out of that, or you take out the virus out of that, and that has become possible with modern medicine. So why not utilize this particular technique? If it has been helping the mankind, if it makes operations cheaper, it can definitely be a boon to remove the poison from the body, or the causes of the tumor causing things from your body. It is easier to switch off the burner when water is boiling rather than putting ice cubes in it, isn't it? So therefore, I believe if it has developed to such an extent, we can might as well attempt and try to remove body from the tumor. Okay, that's my take. Now you can comment whether I was bullshitting or whether I was right. Yes. I have no clue about the topic.
Well, considering the first thing that you said that most of the people do not know, including me, what I was talking about. I mean, you've done a fantastic job of doing it. You definitely said what is it, when, where, why, we're all submerged together in that why that you did. And finally, the only question that remained was how relevant is this topic today is something that we could have probably.
Yeah, probably.
By and large, I think you followed the technique.
Okay, so friends, again, it need not be that you know everything about every topic on earth, but you can attempt to speak for 2 minutes. You don't have to speak a lot. You don't have to give a lecture of 1 hour on that topic to all the students who are postgraduates in that particular topic. All you have to do is speak for 1 to 2 minutes to an audience who is friendly with you, who sympathizes with you for getting such a tough topic, and want you to succeed. Is it not so?
Yes.
Does the audience not want you to succeed?
Yes.
So you can remain cool and say, okay, I'll attempt this, no matter how it is. I'll just try to attempt that. So have you realized that table topics can be fun and easy to attempt if you become cool? First of all, you remain cool. Whether you have knowledge about the topic or not doesn't matter. If you are cool, you can attempt that. You can think of one of the techniques. You need not follow this technique correctly because it is not going to be my demo lecture before every table topics contest. You can think of any one of them, you can think of it partially, you can think of a combination of these, it doesn't matter. All that matters is how you speak for between 1 to 2 minutes. So if you are able to speak for more than 1 minute and less than 2 minutes, it's a fabulous attempt. And no matter whether the topic is known to you, unknown to you, alien to you, you can still try. Are you confident enough to try any topic now? Okay. So what can be done if we can have some online table topics contest where we throw a topic at you and you respond by email or in chatting. Who is the technocrat here who can create such a module?
Skype can be very efficient.
Skype can be effective. Okay. You all can get together on Skype and build up. But there one person thinks at a time. In writing something, you all type at the same time and you send your responses, and only I can see if I am doing the topic. The next person can give the next topic and only he can get the responses and he can see what everyone has to say. So can we try something like that in future? Let's use technology to our advantage where we have online table topic session and we practice it once a month. What do you say?
Yes.
Okay. So until that, remember that there are various techniques, we can attempt those, and it doesn't matter, you remain cool, you will succeed. Over to table topics.